guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing two Boxycharms in one. But this is the October and November Boxycharm unboxing, and there was a lot of great products, so make sure to check out the rest of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Alrighty guys, I'm just going to be completely blunt with you. I combined both of these Boxycharms together because I got my October one, never reviewed it, and then my November one came. So I'm like, instead of making two separate videos, I'm just going to combine the two because who really cares? I don't have any rules on this channel, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to combine the two, and then pretty soon they're going to be sending the December one because that's just how fast life is going right now. Been literally patiently waiting to try this product out by the Glow recipe, the watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrops. Basically, this is skincare and makeup, visibly brightens skin and delivers effortless glow. Yeah, I'm not reading all that, but $34, and I love the Glow recipe. Everything they make is honestly bomb. I have on all my skincare right now because I just washed my face, but here is the very cute bottle. I'm pretty sure I have tried this before in a sample, but I've never purchased it, so I'm excited as ever to have the full size. I know I have the Watermelon Glow Overnight Sleeping Mask, so this is probably very similar. I like anything with glow in there that's hydrating because my face is very, 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 very dry. Okay, you can see what a glow that gives my skin. It looks really good. Oh, if you're wondering, I just colored my hair last night. That's why there's red all over my face. I'm gonna jump over to the November box and pull out this Ace Beaute. I never know how to say that, but this brand is always sent in our Boxycharm. This is the Shadow Amplifying Base in the shade Light. Basically, it's a full coverage product that will be applied before eyeshadow, intensifies eyeshadow colors. Retails for $14.99. I'm super picky about my eyeshadow primers. I have many that I have gotten rid of because I am just extremely picky. Right now, I'm only usually using the NARS eyeshadow base primer, which it's good. And I used to use the Fenty one as well, which that one's good too. But I'm just very, very picky about eyeshadow primers. I don't know how much to use, but oh. Okay, that's very pigmented. All right, we're just going to let that dry down here because with eyeshadow primers, I do like to let it set into the skin. And then for eyeshadow today, this was actually really cool in the October box. They sent like a set. This one is a shadow palette and also a pair of lashes. And then this is a set of brushes, which is such a cute idea and combination of the two products. It says the set includes a pair of beautiful vegan reusable lashes, and this retails for $25. So I don't know, I feel like that's a really cute idea, especially for a makeup lover. You get an eyeshadow palette with lashes. Oh, and it comes with glue. That is even more cute. So you got your little package of glue. You got your eyeshadow palette. That is why I wore this shirt, because I thought this palette would match the shirt. And then a really nice pair of lashes. Of course, I'm going to be using the brushes that they sent me too. And I opened these when I got my box, and I was in love with the color. I am obsessed with the color royal blue. You know, like any colors like these, I love that color. I wear this like nail color in the winter that's just the same as this, and I'm obsessed. It's so beautiful. Seriously, one of the most beautiful colors for winter especially. But yeah, these brushes are gorgeous. Vegan mixed texture fibers make it easy to create your perfect ideal look, and all four of these brushes retail for $27. So we got a couple different shades in here. It kind of looks like I'll probably be using a good majority of them, except probably not the green one. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out. I don't want to leave out this other eyeshadow that I got from the November box. It is the Voss Violet Sunset eyeshadow palette. You know, that one retails for $37. You know, basically eyeshadows. Can't really give you a description on that. I'm not reading all that for eyeshadows. I feel like they sent me this palette before in the past, maybe not, but they always do like to send Violet Voss, which Violet Voss is a very good makeup brand. But here are the shadows in that. I'm not really directed towards these today, but I might use like the browns or something in there because just to make a look out of it and so we can try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this B100 brush, and then I'll just kind of make a basic look here. I'm gonna do that shade there. I always get nervous testing out eyeshadows with a different eyeshadow primer because, you know, if the primer's bad, it can make the eyeshadows look bad, but actually that's going on really well. Blending very nicely, I think. I'm telling you guys, when I say I'm picky about eyeshadow primers, I really am, because it can seriously affect your whole makeup look. And if my eyeshadow primer is bad, it's gonna ruin my whole day. I'm just gonna make a little dimension with this color here. That kind of matches my nails almost. So how have you guys been? What has been up? Tell me in the comments below. I feel like I haven't been on YouTube in a little while, but that's okay. Life's been very busy in a good way. Within the last month, I feel like my life has changed a lot in a very good way. My best friend had her wedding a month ago, and her wedding was amazing and beautiful, and I've been waiting for those two to get married. Oh, sorry, I'm going into this dark brown shade here. My friends have been together for so long, and I could not wait for their wedding and be a part of their wedding and be a bridesmaid. But while being a bridesmaid, there was also a very cute groomsman who was single, just like me. And yeah, I should say no more other than the fact that meeting somebody naturally is a beautiful thing. And yeah, let's just say I have an official boyfriend, which I haven't had a boyfriend in so long, and the feeling is amazing. I have been sort of anti-men for a while here. I was pretty sure I was never going to date anyone ever again because I hated them all, and I'm like, they're all trash and they all suck. But this man has kind of changed my mind on that one. So yeah, I have been very busy just trying to balance like work, trying to balance a boyfriend, trying to balance friends, trying to balance everything. But it is a good thing, and yeah, that's why I've been a little bit absent on making videos, because I've kind of been having a bit of a social life. The more I blend these eyeshadows, the more I freaking hate this primer. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but like it's getting really patchy, and I don't think that's the eyeshadows, because these eyeshadows are blending nicely, but the more I blend, the more they come off. So I think that's the primer, which is really annoying me. Anyways, I am going to dip into this blue shadow here and pretty much pack that all over my lid because I want to see the blue. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I honestly was not expecting that much pigment. That is freaking stunning. I will definitely be going into this palette to use this blue because it is gorgeous. And then just to use the other palette, I'm going to go into this darker shade here and just darken up like the outer edge of my eye here. Give it some dimension. I am going to wipe my eyeshadow off for like the fallout with these makeup wipes that they sent me by Julep Beauty. Pore Refining Witch Hazel Cleansing wipes, and these are $20, which is kind of expensive for makeup wipes. I honestly don't use makeup wipes that often unless I come home and I'm lit and I don't want to wash my face, but honestly, I usually never use makeup wipes other than cleaning up the fallout on my eyes from eyeshadow, so I probably won't use these necessarily as a makeup remover wipe. They smell pretty good. Honestly, they smell like they would be really gentle. So I'm just going to clean that up and then sharpen the outer edge of the eyeshadow here. This is a technique I don't know if I really showed on my channel, but this is how I make my eyeshadow look a heck of a lot sharper. So just by cleaning that off, you have, you know, a cleaner line to work with. These are really nice, actually, because usually by this time when I wipe my eyes are burning, but this is very nice. So this actually might be good to use on your face to just remove your makeup. So I will absolutely keep those. Another skincare item they did send me, but I'm not going to be using right this second, is by the brand Skinfix, and their resurface and AHA, BHA enzyme exfoliating pads. They brighten and smooth skin with niacinamide, supports healthy skin barrier, helps regulate sebum, minimize appearance of fine lines and pores, and targets concerns such as acne, blah blah blah. Anyways, it is $50. I'm so professional, blah blah blah. Like, really, you guys actually might care, but I don't feel like reading all that. I hate reading. But yeah, these are actually really cool. A big jar of wipes. So yeah, I don't know if I'll really use these, but I will have to definitely try them out. Okay, let's get into the lashes from that makeup set. I just cut them accordingly. I don't know if I should trust this glue or just use my own glue, because this is probably just like liquid latex and my eyes are very sensitive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my own glue on these lashes. Okay, and now the worst part ever, putting on lashes. I swear to God, I love doing makeup, but lashes, whew, the amount of anxiety that I feel before putting these on. By the way, I did pop some mascara on before putting these on. It's always the inner corner that I can't get to stick. Breathe. All right, that's as good as we're getting with the lashes. I can't really get them to stick in the inner corners, but they're nice lashes. Like, if you're good at putting on lashes, these are really good lashes. I just get really annoyed with thick eyelash bands, and they're harder for me to put on. That's why I usually just stick to like my Ardell lashes, because they are so simple to put on. We got a makeup brush cleaner, so that is probably very self-explanatory on how to use this. $19. Let's just try to clean off these brushes that I just used. I'm sure it works just fine. Clean your brushes, people, right? I mean, I never clean mine, but I really should clean my eyeshadow brushes. I don't think they've ever included a makeup brush cleaner, so that is really cool. In the November box, they sent over some Luxie brushes, which Luxie brushes are my favorite makeup brushes ever. They work so well. They blend everything on like a dream. And yeah, so I mean, it looks like there's one face brush here and then maybe two eyeshadow brushes, which I already used the eyeshadow brushes in from the October box. So I'll probably skip on that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup here, and then we'll use this brush on something. And then I think there's only one more product that I haven't used. I'm just going to apply the rest of my makeup look, and then I'll be right back. And the last product from the October box is these Pinky Rose Cosmetics Pump Up Your Base 2 multi-stick makeup sticks. So for $20, this is a cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as eyeshadow or primer for your eyeshadow, and can be used also on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow line, or lips. We get a stick here that's brown. So I'll just go ahead and swatch that for you guys. Well, that's kind of a nice shade. Like if you were just doing like a cream eyeshadow look, I mean, that would be perfect. And then this is like a white eyeliner, which I am obsessed with white liner. So I think I'll really like this. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my waterline here. And as you guys can see, that makes a huge difference on your eyes by making them look more awake. So I always use my Laura Mercier, I think it's called a caviar stick in the shade Vanilla. That is like my favorite. I always use a white eyeliner. I shouldn't say always, but if I want to do a look where my eyes look more awake, I will use a white eyeliner. It says you can use this on your lips, so like I guess you could like highlight them a little bit, you know, give them like a little bit of dimension or something. I don't really know. And then you could definitely use the other one as an eyeshadow stick, or you can use that as eyeliner too. So actually this one are really good and smooth, didn't hurt my eyes, tug at my eyes at all. So I do like these pens. Okay, and then here are the 3 eyeshadow Luxie brushes. This one says it's for blush. You can use it for blush, bronzer, highlighter, whatever you want to use. And then these are really good eyeshadow brushes, so I'll definitely be using those. Like I said, Luxie brushes are some of my favorite brushes. I'm gonna pop a little bit of some random blush on and call it a day. I just have so much stuff at this rate that I just grab random things and create a look. So yeah, perks of having so much makeup, right? Okay, and yeah, that is all for both of these Boxycharms. I actually really like how my makeup turned out. Like the eyeshadow is a vibe. I really like the eyeshadow. And yeah, my favorite things out of the box were the eyeshadow palette with the lashes. I feel like that's such a cute idea. And also the set of brushes that it also came with. Those are definitely my favorite products. And then I have to say the Watermelon Glow Serum is also a nice thing that was added into the box. But other than that, like I feel like both boxes were very good and I enjoyed both of them. I'm sorry this was a combined video, but thank you guys for always understanding and being amazing subscribers as always. Yeah, but other than that, that completes this Boxycharm unboxing of both boxes. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.